Hello, everybody. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you celebrate Thanksgiving, I hope you guys had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I am coming to you really quickly just to share some awesome Black Friday deals. Some of these companies and websites are having deals all weekend long, so be sure to check them out because today's Black Friday. Also, there is Small Business Saturday, I think, and then also Cyber Monday. So be sure to check out all of these sites if you are looking for something in particular or you like to shop at a certain online store. I will have all of the links down below. And also, if you go over to my website, tiffanysolorio.com, you can see over here I have all of these different tabs. You click sales. And I haven't updated it yet, but I will update it and I will try to continually update it over the weekend. If you saw my last video, you know that we just bought a house, we're moving, so I will try my best to keep it updated. But you could see all of the sales at Scrapbook.com, Hutson, Altenew, Spellbinders, Joggles, Pink Fresh, Blitzy, Concord the Ninth, Blick Arts, and also Amazon is having amazing deals. So be sure to check out them all. I wanted to go over just a few of the websites with you, just to share with you, just to see if you're interested. So Scrapbook.com is, like I said, having a Black Friday weekend. So if you go over to here, and like I said, I will have the link down below. If you go to coupons, it will take you to this wonderful page where you can add, I think you get 2 freebies today. So you get a free exclusive double-sided adhesive sheet and also a exclusive clear stackable daubers, a pack of 3, which is amazing. And then you also have $10 off your order over $70 or more, and exclusive products up to 50% off. And also don't forget to snag up your scrapbook and cards magazine. This is also free. So essentially you can get 3 freebies today. I'm not exactly sure. Oh, let me see. These expire in 2 days. So all weekend long, if you don't see what you want or you're still deciding, you have all weekend to decide if you want to purchase anything. Also, lots of other amazing deals. And then, like I said, all weekend long, they are going to be having amazing deals on all sorts of things. So that is scrapbook.com. Also, Hutson, save up to 85% in 2 categories, clearance and gratitude. So they, let me see, clearance. And you could see here all of their clearance items. You can, I believe they're already marked down, which is awesome. So I could be wrong. I could go back to the banner. Let me see. Just to make sure, so I'm not giving you guys misinformation. Come on. My internet is a little bit slow because normally I am connected directly to the internet, but like I said, we are moving, so I am just using Wi-Fi. So sorry, I was reading at the same time. You do have to use the coupon code gratitude. Okay, so everything in gratitude category is automatically discounted 50% off. Use gratitude to save additional 25% off. So that's amazing. All right, so that's Hutson. Altenew, always amazing products over here. 20% off stamp and die bundles. Sorry about that. And let me see if I can go back. I can't go back. Let me see. 50% off select items, $100 off 84 crisp die ink oval sets. So that's pretty cool. All right, and Blick Arts, all of these different items, and I know all of these websites will have amazing deals on Cyber Monday as well. So if you saw something that you're interested in or you just kind of want to browse around, be sure to check the links in the description box below. And like I said, by the time this video goes up, my page over on my website will be updated with all of the current coupons, coupon codes, deals, sales, all of that sort of thing. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Happy holidays, everybody, and I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I will catch you guys later. Bye!